Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.